Hello, everybody. I am Giada, and since August 2021, I am a PhD student at BMW. My PhD starts from the need of providing the engineers with useful insights on a new product in the very early phase of the development. And in particular, we are focusing on passive safety. In the very early phase of the development, when the prototype of the vehicle is not yet available, the finite element simulations drive the development process. But even before that, when we have just a little amount of data available, what the engineers do is to look back and to see how they have approached the same problems that they're facing today in the past. And this is what motivated me to my research and led me to my research question. That is, how can information from past already developed products be used in order to gather some insights on a new product that is under current development? The approach that I have decided to implement to tackle this research question is called transfer learning. Transfer learning is an interesting algorithm that is based on training a certain network on the so-called source domain and then modifying, readapting this network to the target domain. And the idea is that transfer learning helps us to release the need of having high amounts of highly reliable data. Because from the source domain, we have a lot, that is, in our case, all the predecessors of the component that we are now focusing on. And the target domain is the product that we have to focus right now. During my PhD, I applied this concept to 3 different levels of complexity and crash, that is, component, subsystem, and full vehicle. And the idea behind is always the same. Assuming to have a lot of data coming from past developed processes, then how can transfer learning help us to learn and get some new insights on the new product? The results that I have obtained so far have shown promising insights at component level. And what we obtained from the subsystem suggests us that the more the mechanical system is complex, the more the machine learning architecture that we use has to be complex. Overall, based on the results that we obtained and on the literature review, we believe that the potentialities of transfer learning could be exploited in industry. When little to no data are available, transfer learning can be the basis to provide the engineers with a useful tool for the early phase of the product development. Thank you for your attention.